In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a drop-down menu in your document. This simple yet powerful tool can help you streamline the way information is organized and presented, whether you're crafting a report, managing a project, or just looking to make your documents more interactive. So, let's dive straight into the steps you'll need to follow. First off, you need to decide where exactly you want to insert your drop-down chip. Navigate through your document until you find the perfect spot. Once you locate the ideal location, click to place your cursor there. This action is crucial because it tells the document where you want that drop-down chip to appear. Next, we need to head over to the top menu bar. Hover your mouse up there and select the Insert option. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of options to insert different types of elements into your document. Look through the list and find Drop-down. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you will be faced with two choices. You can either select a preset drop-down. This is super convenient if one of the pre-existing options fits your requirements. Or if you have specific needs that aren't covered by the presets, you can create a custom drop-down. For those of you opting for the custom route, let's walk through that process. Starting the custom creation, the first thing you'll want to do is provide a name for your drop-down. This is basically a template name, and choosing something descriptive will make it easier to identify later on, especially if your document contains multiple drop-downs. With the name in place, it's time to add your items or options. These are the choices that will appear when someone clicks on the drop-down chip in your document. It's a good practice to keep these concise but informative. For additional polish and organization, you can even assign colors to each item. This feature can be seriously handy for visually differentiating between the selections. Now, you may find that some options are unnecessary, or you might want to prioritize certain items by putting them in a different order. Thankfully, the interface offers a simple solution. Use the trash icon to remove any unwanted options, and take advantage of the drag and drop functionality to reorder them as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with your custom drop-down, you'll finish by clicking Save or Create, depending on what the interface prompts you with. And there you have it. Your custom drop-down chip will now appear right where you placed your cursor initially. Now, anyone with editing access to the document can click the chip and choose from your defined options, making collaborative work much smoother. Whether you're listing priorities, actions, or categories, this feature can enhance your document's functionality and appearance effectively. That wraps up our session for today.